Did you know that planting fruit trees in fall right before winter can actually give them a head start in spring? That's right. While the top of the tree rests, the roots quietly grow underground all winter. Today, I'll walk you through 7 fruit trees you should plant before winter. These are hardy, beginner-friendly, and perfect if you want a garden full of fresh fruit next year. Number 1. Apple trees. Let's start with the classic apples. Most apple varieties love the cool weather. Plant them in fall, and their roots will settle in nicely before spring. Tip: go for disease-resistant types like Honeycrisp or Liberty if you're in the US. They'll save you headaches later. 2. Pear trees. Pears are tough. They handle cold better than many fruits. Plant 2 different varieties for better pollination like Bartlett and Bosc. Fun fact: pear trees can live for more than 50 years if cared for properly. Imagine the harvests. 3. Cherry trees. Cherries love the chill. They need winter cold hours to produce fruit. If you're short on space, try dwarf cherry trees. They fit nicely in small backyards. Sweet cherries like Bing are great if you're in a warmer zone, while tart cherries like Montmorency do better in colder regions. 4. Plum trees. Plums are super forgiving. They adapt well to different soils and climates. European plums like Stanley are self-pollinating, so you don't always need 2 trees. That's handy for smaller gardens. 5. Peach trees. Now, peaches can be a little picky, but if you choose cold hardy varieties like Reliance or Contender, you can still enjoy them even if you get snowy winters. Pro tip: peaches prefer full sun, so pick the brightest spot in your yard. 6. Fig trees. Yes, figs. They might sound tropical, but many cold hardy figs like Chicago hardy survive winters if planted early enough. In really chilly areas, people wrap them with burlap or mulch for extra protection. If you love sweet jammy figs, it's worth the effort. 7. Persimmon trees. Persimmons are underrated but amazing. They're super ornamental, with bright orange fruit that ripens late in fall. American persimmons can handle cold winters much better than the Asian varieties. Plus, they're low maintenance once established. Extra tips: always plant fruit trees in well-drained soil. Sitting water in winter can rot the roots. Add a layer of mulch after planting. It keeps the soil warmer and holds in moisture. Remember, most fruit trees need 2 to 3 years before they give you a good harvest. Patience pays off big time. So, which of these trees are you excited to plant this season? Drop your answer in the comments. I'd love to hear your plans. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more garden tips, and share it with a friend who loves fruit.